Have you ever met someone new and suddenly forgotten all your English words?
Or maybe you wanted to start a conversation but didn't know what to say?
Don't worry, today we're going to help you sound natural and confident in English.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know 25 simple English sentences you can use when meeting someone for the first time.
At a party,
At school,
at work.
or even while traveling.
And the best part?
These are real sentences that native speakers use every day.
So stay with us until the end and practice speaking with us.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Welcome to Less, the Learn English Show.
I'm Leslie.
And I'm Mr. Jones.
We are so happy to have you with us today.
Yes, thank you for joining our English learning journey.
Before we start our lesson, we have a little request for you.
Please take a moment to like this video.
And share it with your friends who are also learning English.
And also, make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Your support helps us grow and create more helpful content for you.
Today, we have a very common and important topic.
We will talk about meeting someone for the first time.
This can be a bit nerve-wracking, even in your own language.
But don't worry, we will give you some simple sentences.
So you can feel confident and ready.
Let's imagine a situation. You are at a party.
Or a class or a new job, you see someone new.
What do you say first?
The first thing is to say hello.
Hello.
Or you can say hi. Both are good.
For example, you walk up to someone and say, hello.
Simple and friendly.
My name is Jane.
Hello, my name is...
Hello, my name is Leslie.
And I would say, hi, my name is Mr. Jones.
It's important to say your name clearly.
Now, after you say your name, what do you ask?
What's your name?
This is how you ask them for their name.
Hello, my name is Leslie. What's your name?
My name is Mr. Jones.
Good, now you know each other's names.
Nice to meet you.
That's a very polite and common phrase.
You say it after you learn their name.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Jones.
Nice to meet you too, Leslie.
It makes a good first impression.
How are you?
After introductions, it's good to ask about their well-being.
It shows you are friendly and interested.
Nice to meet you, Tom. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Or, I'm good, thanks.
Always remember to ask them back.
Okay, so you've introduced yourselves. What next?
You can ask about their life or what they do.
Where are you from?
This is a very common question, especially in a new place.
I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
I'm from England.
It's a good way to find common ground.
What do you do?
This means, what is your job, or what do you study?
If you are at a party, it means job. If you are at school, it means study.
For example, I'm a teacher. What do you do?
I work in an office.
It helps you learn about their daily life.
Do you work here?
If you are at a new place, like a cafe or store.
You can ask if they are an employee.
Excuse me, do you work here?
They will tell you if they do or not.
Do you live here?
If you are in a new city or town,
You can ask if they are a local person.
I'm visiting this city. Do you live here?
It's a polite way to ask about their home.
Now, let's talk about finding things in common.
Do you like activity?
This is a great way to start a conversation about hobbies.
For example, do you like reading?
Or, do you like sports?
If they say yes, you can talk more about it.
What kind of thing do you like?
This makes the question more specific.
What kind of music do you like?
Or, what kind of movies do you like?
This helps you learn their preferences.
Have you been here before?
If you are at a new place, like a restaurant or a park,
You can ask if they know the place.
this is my first time here. Have you been here before?
They might tell you if it's good or bad.
How do you know?
If you were at a party or event and you both know the host,
You can ask how they know that person.
are you a friend of Sarah's? How do you know her?
This can open up more conversation.
This is interesting, isn't it?
You can make a comment about your surroundings.
This is a way to start small talk.
For example, if you are at an art gallery,
This painting is interesting, isn't it?
they can agree or disagree, and you can talk.
The weather is nice today, isn't it?
Talking about the weather is always a safe topic.
Everyone can talk about the weather.
It's very sunny today, isn't it?
Yes, it's lovely.
It's a simple way to break the ice.
Now, let's talk about ending the conversation politely.
It was nice talking to you.
When you want to finish the conversation and move on.
This is a polite way to do it.
Well, it was nice talking to you, Maria.
They will understand you are ready to leave.
I have to go now.
I need to get going.
I have to go now. My friend is waiting.
Be clear and polite.
Maybe we can talk again soon.
If you enjoyed talking to them and want to talk more later,
That's a friendly way to say it.
I enjoyed our chat. Maybe we can talk again soon.
They might say yes.
Do you have a card?
If you want to exchange contact information,
This means a business card with their email or phone.
it was great meeting you. Do you have a card?
This is common in professional settings.
Here's my email.
You can offer your contact information directly.
If you want to stay in touch, here's my email address.
Write it down for them.
Take care.
This is a friendly way to say goodbye.
It means be careful or stay well.
Goodbye, Leslie. Take care.
You too, Mr. Jones.
Have a good day.
We learned this one before. It's perfect for ending a first meeting.
Nice to meet you. Have a good day.
Very polite.
See you later.
If you think you might see them again soon.
For example, if you are at the same event,
Okay, I'm gonna get some food. See you later.
bye.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
This is a more formal and very polite way to say goodbye.
I love it.
Thank you for your time. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Very good for professional situations.
Goodbye.
The most common and simple way to end any conversation.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
That's 25 sentences for meeting someone for the first time.
From saying hello to saying goodbye politely.
Practice these sentences. Try to use them.
The more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's part of learning.
People will appreciate your effort to speak English.
We hope this episode helps you next time you meet someone new.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Your support helps us create more content for you.
We are always happy to help you on your English journey.
Join us again next time for LES, the Learn English Show.
Goodbye for now.
See you soon.